You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. Yes, this is a name that is used in different languages, Russian, also Polish, Ukrainian, so generally from Eastern Europe. It's normally pronounced as Maksym. Yes, this is essentially the spelling of Maxim, Maksym. Rather than putting an X, you have a K and an S, but it's the same sound, Maksym. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.